predators in New Zealand.
They may not be big, but they are helpful to our native life.
Our native creatures were not prepared for the destruction these invasive animals brought.
The culprits are the ferret, the stoat, the rat, and the possum.
They traveled with European and Pacific Islanders on the boats.
The birds in New Zealand were not adapted, not used to being hunted by mammals. You know how mammals hunt? They hunt by smell. They smell their prey. Whereas in New Zealand, there were other birds that were predators, like hawks and falcons, and they hunted by sight. So the New Zealand birds developed camouflage and the ability to stay very still if they thought there was a bird like a falcon around. However, that's no help if you're being hunted by someone that smells you. You can be as camouflaged as anything, but you still got to smell. And that's also a lot of the birds that were being hunted are sleeping at night. And guess when these predators hunt? They hunt at night. So when the birds are fast asleep, they're being hunted by stoats and rats and possums. So they really didn't have any chance at all.
Hey Peach, what'd you learn?
Over these past few days, I've learned that New Zealand's native life are in danger because of predators. There's the stoat, the ferret, the possum, and the rat that have been killing off our kiwis, What have you learned?
Well, I learned that the predators were brought in by Europeans. They came to New Zealand. Pacific Islanders also on their wakas. The rats crawled on underneath the ships and everywhere. And they came to New Zealand, they scattered everywhere, and Australians brought over stoats, possums, ferrets, rats,